Welcome back to Yard Dog Digest. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about everybody's favorite topic, fuel filtration. All kidding aside, it's really important to deliver clean fuel to today's engines, and it's especially true with today's advanced aftertreatment systems. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about different filters that are on the truck, as well as different options that exist that will help you save on maintenance costs and can help keep your truck running smoothly. So we're joined now by Jeff Crow. Jeff manages our Solutions Tech Support Group that many of you are probably familiar with. Jeff, thanks for your time.
Thank you for having me here.
So from the fuel tank, the fuel goes to the engine. Walk me down the path. What happens to the fuel?
So it goes to the primary fuel filter on the side of the frame where it removes any water and particulates from the fuel. Then it goes over to the secondary fuel filter on the side of the engine, where it further removes any other particulates before it goes to the engine.
So Jeff, if I were to neglect changing the engine filter, what might I expect to happen?
You would lose engine performance due to the engine not receiving enough fuel.
And what causes that?
Particulate buildup inside the fuel filter.
Thanks for that, Jeff. So this one looks a little bit different. What's the story with this filter?
So this is a Davco fuel filter.
And what's different about that?
So instead of changing it at intervals, you instead, as the fuel level rises, that's going to be an indicator that it's time to change the fuel because the particulates all build up on the bottom of the filter, which causes it to rise.
Okay, so instead of just proactively changing the filter along a certain interval, it's actually telling you how dirty it is and tells you exactly when to change it.
That's correct.
So Jeff, here's one of our DEF tanks, and one of the things that I've always loved that we do is box it in, which helps keep it clear from damage, but also helps to keep it free of any dirt and debris. But I've got to imagine, since others don't do that, there's some sort of filtration, isn't there?
That's correct. So at the very bottom of this head unit right here is a sock filter, which will filter out any particulates that make its way into the DEF system, which then goes over to the dosing pump, which also has a filter on it that then pumps the fluid over through the rest of the after treatment system.
Okay, so there you have it. It's an important part of any good routine maintenance to keep your fuel and your DEF fluid clear. Helps to keep your engine running smoothly and preserve the life of the engine. Thanks for your time, Jeff.
Thank you for having me here.
Please stay tuned for more videos, and please send us any ideas you have for future videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.